your fishing line. I'm using 0.7, scissors for cutting. So let's begin. So I have already cut out my fishing line, so watch closely as I start. So I'll be making a knot with each ring that I make. So that it becomes firm. So pick one on the left fishing line, one on the right fishing line, and then the last bead left, I'll make the knot inside it. It's just the same as crossing it, but I've been watching Versatile Nana doing this, and when I tried it, it made my work become very firm. So thanks to Versatile Nana for this idea. But it's not anything new, it's just like crossing it. Then we make the knot in the third bead. So I fold it like this. Then I'll pull the other fishing line from the loop. So this is 3. We need 12 of this. So I will continue with it. I have 11 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And so I'm going to turn with the 12 one. So turning, I'll pick 3 beads. Put 2 on any side of the fishing line actually. And then I'll make the knots in the 3rd bead. Like this. And so I will start with the 2nd line. So I'll pick 3 beads, fix 2 of the beads on the left fishing line or the top fishing line, and then I'll make a knot in the 3rd bead. Now I will enter this bead here with my right fishing line and pick 2. So I'll be turning at this point. So I'll pick 2 beads and fix it on this machine line, the one that we just entered this bead with. And then we're going to continue with the 3rd row, which is when you will use the different color. Please subscribe and share it. I'm begging you. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Like the video, comment, and share it. I'll be glad with that. So now I'm going to pick this light blue. One light blue, one royal blue, two royal blue, so I'm turning. And now from this point I'll be using only the light blue. If you don't really understand this bead matting, there is a video on my channel on how I do my bead matting, a very detailed one. So check out the link in the description box as well. So from here, I will just be adding the sea blue. I need 5, so we have 3, so I'll just do the 2 off camera and then show you the end results. I'm going to use this to make a beaded tissue box with an organizer or with a pen holder. And so you don't want to miss that video. Kindly subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload those videos. This is where I have gotten to, and it's left with the last one, and I'll be done. brings us to the end of this video. Like I have said earlier, please subscribe to the channel because I'm going to use this to make a tissue box and a tissue box with an organizer or with a pen holder. And so kindly subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss that video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.